Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a good day and you're going to have a good weekend. I hear the birds chirping outside this morning, and I have been hearing a lot of birds chirping the last few mornings when I walk out the door to go to work. And it's just a happy sound. So I've got a bundle for you today. Just one, not two, not three. So this is going to be a quick video. So yeah, I'm Sherry. This is Turquoise Dreaming, and this is becoming a thing. I keep bringing you bundles on Saturday morning, just trying to organize some things. And so I have a bunch of linens, fabrics, and things like that I haven't even shown you in my Thrifty Thursdays that I'm trying to organize. And so this is I guess this is how I'm doing it. I just can't make it to Thrifty Thursday with the linens apparently. So anyway, let me show you this bundle. It's really nice, and it's just linens. I'm going to call it just linens, and it's already in my shop. When you see this right now, it's in my shop. So and it will be linked below. So let me show you what I have for you today. I think there's 11 items in here. I'm going to count them again and make sure I counted right. But this is a little crochet blouse or shirt. Yeah, I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, that is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm bringing it home. And it's a little shirt. It's got these pinks and greens. It's got a little ribbon here. I don't know if it's for a baby or a doll, but you can see how small it is. It's got sleeves here. So cute. So that's the first thing. And that's the only thing with color. Everything else is neutral. I was making a neutral bundle and I decided to go ahead and throw this in as a little bonus. So there you go. Super cute to do something with. And the rest are whole pieces of linens, nothing cut up. And I think everything's perfect. We'll look at it again as we're going through it, but I think everything's perfect and whole. So this is a scarf, and you can see it's this ecru color. Of course, I can't get the whole thing, and I guess I'll try to put the sizes. Right now. Well, I already have it listed as I'm doing this video, but I haven't put the sizes in there yet. So I will be doing that. I will be tweaking the listing after this video, after I get done here. But yeah, it's let me show you the design here, and it's got this little design on the outside, around the outside, and then it's got this part on the inside, a rectangle. It's pretty long. It's for a table, it's a table runner. So you've got all of that to play with or use as a table runner. It would be beautiful. A wooden or any type of, but especially a wooden here's this thread, a wooden table where you see the wood through the pretty runner. Okay, so this is a smaller little doily type linen. It's a little rectangle, and this would be nice to use as a whole, because you could wrap it around a journal like that, or you could cut it up. It does have a couple of circles here. It's got some little flowers around, and it's got a little half circle, and then you got all the little scallops on the outside. And this would be I didn't realize this now. So just now, this little piece right here would be great on a little flip up tuck spot in a journal, that little corner. So yeah, lots of options for something like that. And this is a little eyelet piece here, a little eyelet piece of linen. It's a whole piece, and you can see little pieces around the outside there, scallop type decoration, and then the middle part here with all the beautiful eyelet type linen and stitching. So really pretty, and it's a smaller piece, but it's a whole. Do I see any stains? What's this right here? A little something right there, but yeah, you don't really even notice it. It might come out. I don't know if I washed this one yet, but yeah, it's perfect right there. I mean, it's got something right there. Can you see that? You can barely see it, but yeah. I mean, I did get these all from thrift stores. So, and here's a piece here that is another table runner. So it's quite long, and it's got these tulips, which it has on both ends. So I'm going to show you. The whole thing, and as I show it to you here, it's got this lace around the edge, all around, kind of pleated. See here, it's kind of pleated. So it's got that pretty lace that can be taken off. You can use the tulips, and this little part here is pretty too. And then you've got white linen type fabric. Sorry, it's morning. And then at the other end, the same thing. Same exact thing. Yep, same exact thing. I had to check there real quick. And then, and I do not see any kind of blemish on here. Let me look real careful one more time. See if I see anything at all. I don't see anything. That's just a thread or something. Yeah, a little speck of a thread, but that is it. This is a cross stitch. They're little X's. These are all little X's, like cross stitch. So isn't that neat and pretty? So that's another runner. I'm not counting them, am I? I'll count them when we're done here. This is a cute little rectangle crochet piece. It's the ecru color. Again, that would be a cute one to wrap around a doily. I mean, a journal, like that. So, did I show it to you enough? I don't want to go too quick here, but it's got little scallops around the edge and like little scalloped edge there. So, a real pretty one. And let me look on both sides. It's perfect. I don't see anything on it. Wait a minute, here's something. Here's a little something right there. Oh, it's coming off. Let me see. It will probably, I think I almost got it off, or it's probably going to come off the rest of the way. A little something right there, but I think I got it off. Yeah, I did. A little speck of let me see what this is. I'm cleaning it right now. No, that's just well, there might be something right there. But see a little dark piece right there. I don't know if you can even see it. Let me see. Let me show you this way. See a little dark thing right there? There's something right there, like I don't know, speck. It's a speck. But that is it. Otherwise, it's kind of a thicker piece. Can also be folded over a junk journal. And then here's a white doily, very pretty, and it's not too thin or not too thick, but it's thick enough where it has some, stability to it. It looks perfect. It's got this pretty circle in the middle, a scalloped edge, pretty scalloped edge here, and just not too big, not too small. That's about what it looks like in half if you were to fold it on the outside of a junk journal. So, yep. And we are not at the end. This is a beautiful one here. It's all flowers. It is white. It's like a linen fabric-y type piece of linen. And it's like a little scarf or something. That would also be beautiful coffee dyed. Any of the white ones you can probably coffee dye if you wanted them darker. And even more in, maybe grungy or something. Soak them in some coffee. Or you could put them any color, really. If you needed to be pink or blue. Use some Rit dye, or I don't know if have I ever used, trying to think. I have food coloring. I've used food coloring and the dye that you use for tie-dye. But I've only used it on paper. I've only used those two on paper. I have used coffee on the other things, and that has worked. So this is a nice big delicate doily here. There's one more here. Let me show you these without it being on top of each other. So see, this is a big circle. And it has I think this is the pineapple design here. And it's got that in a flower shape, and then, it goes out and out and out. So a really nice big circle. And let me show you. So you see that, and then here's the edge of this one. Let me show you the edge here. Very delicate crochet. I guess it's crochet. I don't know. If this is not no crochet, maybe you know, but it is delicate. It's not the thicker crochet. So maybe this is knit or tatted. I don't know. But very beautiful. Okay, and there, from what I can see, I don't see any holes as far as that are not supposed to be there, or rips or stains or anything. Like I said, most of these are pretty much perfect. And then this one here is a big circle. Let's see here. Let me get it unfolded. Okay, so this one is like a crochet too. This is thicker like regular crochet, and it's an oval. It's an oval. Okay, so here's the middle of it with these two designs of circles. There is a piece here that looks like it's apart, so this one's not perfect. And let's see, do I see any stains? There's a thread. I've had these with my other linens, so you may have picked up a thread here and there. There's one, here's a piece right here that's not perfect. See, this is apart. It's supposed to be together right there. So, but if you were to use this as a whole, you know, say you wanted to use it on a table or something, let me see if there's anything else that I noticed that's not perfect about this. That's the only things I see right now that are not perfect. Everything looks together except for those two things I showed you, that and the piece on the edge, which is over here, and you really don't even notice those. So yeah, but anyway, and the outside design is, let's see, so I showed you the middle, which is these two like pineapple designs with the circular design in the middle. Let me hold it out like that. And then the outside from that goes into this right here, which is little pieces like that. And then the outside edges are kind of like almost like a pineapple design too, like this piece right here. And then the edges. So, you know, if you do slow stitching, you would have slow stitching for years here if you were to cut something like this apart. Or, you know, if you do snippet, what do you call it? Snippet strips, whatever. Anything like that, you would have awesome pieces to put in something like that. This I could see really with that, any of them, but this is a thicker, has thicker pieces you could sew onto something like that. Anyway, let's count real quick, because I forgot to count, kind of. I was kind of busy showing you everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that time I counted 10. I thought there were 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, oh my Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's not 11, there's not 9, there's 10. All right, guys, it's morning, guys. I just woke up, got my coffee, got this bundle together, and came in here because I got a busy day ahead of me. Got a birthday party, and you know, gotta go shopping, get the stuff for the birthday party. I gotta get to the post office and pack up some orders, all before 12 o'clock. So I am on the move this morning. So I hope you have a great weekend, and everybody just be blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Happy crafting, happy thrifting, and happy weekend. See you later.